Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Sharice here, and today we are going to be doing a plus size Fashion Nova haul. Okay, a plus size Fashion Nova haul. So I'm super excited to be doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy. So keep tuned for that, and also for a little lookbook action. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first item is called First Things First Top, and I got it in a size 1X. So it's a little half top situation. This is so cute. Focus, focus. Baby, focus on me. So I have it right here with the model, and this is what it looks like. So this quality is really, really good. Surprising for it to be kind of Fashion Nova, but I realized that Fashion Nova's quality is really, really decent. So I'm kind of excited about this one. The next one we have are some jeans. These are called Be With You 2 boyfriend jeans. And I got these in a size 18. So there's some basic denim. They have an unfinished hem. I love anything unfinished hem because I'm short and my philosophy is that it just makes me look taller, and I like ankle details, so I like my ankles to show. So I'll wear these with like some sneakers or something and call it a day. So that's gonna be cute. Our next item, ooh, okay, this is the denim jacket, the jean jacket, but it's a black one. And I was so excited for this. I've been watching this item for a long time, and it always gets sold out. So it's a denim jacket, but it's a cropped one. Why is it not focusing? Focus on me. There we go. Now it's done. So I have the crop denim jacket here. And I got this in a size 2X. So I don't know if you guys can tell by me. This focusing is getting on my nerves already. So I don't know if you guys can tell by me, but I am 5'3", 5'4"-ish. I have thick thighs that y'all see later, and my arms are a little bit bigger, so I tend to size up in things. I don't look like I should be wearing like a 2X, but once you see it on me, you're probably like, yeah. But I'd rather order things bigger than smaller and then have to go through all that trouble. Okay. My next item is another, oh gosh. Okay, this is called the Hooked on Your Love. Ooh, Hooked on Your Love. Perfect for Valentine's Day. You know, that's right around the corner. I'm gonna be lonely again. I'm really lonely, but I think I'm gonna take myself out. And I got this one in a size 2X. So the white one I got in a 1X only because that's what they had available. So hopefully that will work for me. But I got this one in a 2X. Which it might be a little big, but we'll see. But it's a crop top, hooks. And I guess it's supposed to be off the shoulder or squared or whatever. With the sleeves are a little sheer. Okay. Ooh, my next one. I'm so excited about this, guys. So I kind of have a look for this. I don't know if y'all want to see it in this video or not, but this right here, sexy. It is a lace body. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, so I got this in a size 2X. And I like because it has the little cups for the boobs, so at least my boobs will be able to sit in it, you know? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and it's a thong, guys. Have your little cheeks out, but I really have a look for this. It is gonna be so cute. my last item? Okay, so my last item is called Tell Me More. They are leather belted pants. I've been having like a little obsession with leather lately. But I thought these were cute. And I got these in a size 3X. And they look big. But we'll see. But they're supposed to be a little oversized. That's what the model had on. I'll show you guys what the model looks like. But they're little belted cropped pants. So this is cute. Okay. So now let's get to the fun part. We're about to try on all these lovely items. I'm going to show you some other items that I picked up from Fashion Nova about a month ago during Christmas time. And I'll let you know how I styled that.